Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Roblox bacon squishy. First, gather your materials. You'll need a soft foam block, fabric paint in brown, yellow, and pink, and a pair of sharp scissors. Also, have a reference image of the Roblox bacon hair readily available. Make sure your crafting area is clean and well lit for the best results. This project is fun and easy for all skill levels. Now, let's shape the squishy. Take your foam block and carefully cut it into a long, rectangular strip, mimicking a piece of bacon. Gently round off the corners and edges to give it a more natural, squishy feel. If you want to add more detail, cut a smaller, thinner piece of foam to represent the hair strands. Precision here helps achieve that iconic Roblox look. Next, it's time to bring your bacon squishy to life with paint. Start by applying a light brown base coat over the entire foam shape. Once dry, use a darker brown to paint thin, wavy stripes, creating the cooked bacon texture. Finally, add the distinct yellow and pink colors for the hair details, following your reference image closely. Let each layer dry completely before adding the next. For the final touches, apply a clear fabric sealant over your entire squishy. This protects the paint and adds a smooth finish, making your squishy more durable and long-lasting. Allow it to dry completely, which might take several hours, depending on the sealant. Once dry, your custom Roblox bacon squishy is ready to be enjoyed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.